to do, you don't do. You know that you did not do anything. See him now. See him. See him. Now be this. See, I swear to God, if anybody, make una no worry. God dey see all of us for this country wey we dey do. Everybody wey dey out for this evil wey dey happen for this country, tomorrow they will say na Buhari. Tomorrow everybody go dey point finger at Buhari. Nothing small opportunity wey we go get to represent our people well. No, my own community, God forbid bad thing. God forbid bad thing. See rubbish wey dey happen everywhere.
People don't even know.
See rubbish wey dey happen. They say make me, I dey pray. Say make me, I dey pray for person wey dey do wrong. Pray for wetin? Pray for which rubbish? Pray for which rubbish? How you gonna do this thing? If you tell me the water, where the water no dey flow go? Where na wan make the water dey flow go? Where the pastor wey be dey pray for here? Where the pastor be dey pray for here? I don't get water with now. Na the pastor wey dey teach the one wey dey do this nonsense. Na I get issue with. Na the pastor that I get issue with. They will give them money when they do something. They are supposed to take the money. They will do nothing. God will punish all of you. They will kill you. This one they will kill all of you. Zero. Now my ordinary hand. Ordinary hand. Ordinary hand. Now I tell the open now so. Ordinary hand. Zero when they do. Zero. Zero when they do. Ogu kill that person. Ogu go kill the person. God will punish all of you now. When they represent us, when they do it, God will kill all of una. Because the money they come, una they shop her. Many of una when they do this thing, Ogu go kill una. Other here who did? I mean, therefore, they will not put anything. See rubbish, see nonsense. If I put that for this road, then so all go open. All the road go open. You say make that they appeal with the person. God will punish anybody when they do so. Anybody where they represent us, when they represent well, God for killer. Me, I know they fear us. You don't get who no go die. If I die today now, don't die so. I know they fear anything. If I die today, I don't die, but everybody go die last time. Now road with this. Now road with this one. How you gonna do this thing? You not pull road. You not pull road, you the cover around. You not pull road, you the cover around. It make any sense to human being? If better than God, you don't go wash them. Does it make any sense? God, they see all of us. No problem, me, my yellow, but make I they go my house. I don't have to talk. I pray if I they come back live, make I don't come from Igala again. Make I don't even come from Akukwedo again. Go out, you go see what they do there. Well, who will kill everybody throw away? For this local government, should be election they come to. Somebody say make a day. Please say somebody they do. Which one that work with this? What ordinary man they remove? Say I be APC I no talk.